What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change dress color using AI. It's a very simple tricks, so let's get started. First of all, open a browser. Like I'm opening the Google Chrome browser, and then just type for gemini.google.com/app. Here you can see the home page. Now upload an image, which one you want to change the color of. Like I'm uploading this image, and just right here to change the shirt's color. After typing, just click to submit button. It will take a few moments to change the color. Here you can see. I think you can do this using this method, and I think it's very easier. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.